This river is born high in the mountains, where nature allows no compromise.
Here begins a force that will test everyone who dares to follow its course.
Before the descent, there is silence, focus, and respect for the power of water. The first moments feel easy, but the river is already judging every move.
Every rap event is a test of timing, trust, and control.
But calm here is only a short pause before the next challenge.
Even in danger, nature reveals its breathtaking beauty.
And the river takes full control!
Paddles become extensions of the body, and decisions are made in fractions of a second.
This is the moment that stays with you forever. Whoa!
A short break to realize one thing: we made it through.
From above, the river looks calm. From within, it is anything but.
In the mountains, weather can change as fast as the current.
This is the most dangerous section of the journey.
Surviving moments like this defines the strength of a team. Slowly, the river releases those it had tested.
This journey leaves its mark far beyond the water.
Rafting is not a fight against the river. It is a conversation with it.